additional allocation. I have talked to two congressmen, one from the Visayas, one from Luzon, and they asserted that 62 congressmen are affected by these realignments, not only itemization. Now, this is the allocation of the House. The allegation is that these items were in the National Expenditure Program, was carried in the General Appropriations Bill, was approved in BICAM, and the ratified version of the BICAM report contained these allocations. So I would request the Chairman of the Committee on Finance to furnish the senators with the details of this, because you cannot alter what was approved in the BICAM, contained in the BICAM report, and ratified by each chamber. If the House would want to realign and change certain allocations in the House, my suggestion is that when we reconvene on May 20, we reconsider the approval, the ratification of the Bicameral Conference Committee report, and reconvene the BICAM and correct the alleged revisions in the final BICAM report.